Limiting reagent is calcium. Okay, not V2O5. Okay, bakit? Solve natin. Kasi meron kang 1 mole of V2O5. Meron kang 4 moles of calcium. Then, based from the mole equation, for every 1 mole of V2O5, you have, for every 1 mole of V2O5, you have 2 moles of V. So 1 mole V2O5, 2 moles of V. Dito naman, 4 moles of calcium for every, tapos 5 moles of calcium for every 2 moles V. Dito pa lang makikita mo na limiting reagent si calcium. Diba? Kasi that would be, solve natin yan. 2, this is obviously 1, 2 moles V. Ito naman, 4 divided by 5 times 2. It's 1.6 moles V. So dito, kita mo agad na, yan o, mas mababa yung mapaproduce niya. Therefore, calcium is your LR. V2O5 is your excess reagent. Also, kung titingnan natin na how much of the excess ang matitira, so pwede mong baliktarin. For every, if you have 4 moles of calcium, how many moles of V2O5 will be consumed? So alam mo na for every 5 moles of calcium, you have 1 mole V2O5. So that's 4 over 5, 0.8. So ito yung magagamit. Used up to. Used up. So therefore, ito, after the reaction, no, yung buong 4 moles ni calcium, gamit yan. Si V2O5, matitiran siya ng ano yung excess? Excess, your, sorry, your excess would be equal to, no, 1 mole V2O5 minus 0.8 moles V2O5, which will leave you with 0.2. So 0.2 yung matitira. So again, to summarize, no, limiting reagent is calcium. No, excess reagent is V2O5. Okay? Si calcium, used up fully. Used up fully. Si V2O5, no, ang used ay 0.8. Ang excess is 0.2. Okay, just to clarify. So the answer for number 34 is letter B, calcium, kasi limiting reagent. All right? So again, we have to end a little early today, no? Thank you for your time and for your patience and for your staying power, kahit boring minsan yung mga paulit-ulit. No? So please do not forget to take the assessment. It's already in your portal. Okay, so with that, thank you very much and I will see you next Sunday. Pero ano lang ako, mag-sit-in lang ako kasi si Miss Vanji yung mag-handle next Sunday. Okay? Bye-bye. Thank you.